Hello everybody and welcome to this new video from inference.sh. So today I want to show you one of the coolest features that we have built that is called the Agent Builder. So the idea of the Agent Builder is to simplify the process of creating new AI agents. As you know, you can create AI agents via code and with very complex tools and frameworks, but really there is no easy way to create them by writing a single prompt. And so that's what we're trying to do. So let's see today how we can create an agent that is capable of generating slide decks. And here I brought a very simple prompt. I want to call it a slide forge, and it should be able to research the user inputs to create basically great slides. And we want the output to be a set of images, and the agent needs to understand the requirement from the user, then research the topic and understand the style preference. Then it needs to create a brief and then get approval on that brief. And finally, generate a set of slides using image generation. So this is a very specific structure that I came up with, but obviously this is just a prompt, so you can change it in any way you want. Let's see what this generates. So the very first thing the agent builder does, it goes on and researches several topics around slide generation to see what the best practices are. So as you see, it's coming up with a proposed structure that is showing in these very vibrant colors. And so for Slide Forge, we basically have the orchestrator that is called Forge Master that is capable of gathering requirements, managing workflows, and then handle revisions. And this is the main agent that we will interact with. And then this agent will have a couple of sub-agents, actually 4. The first one is capable of doing research. And so this will use the EXA search and EXA extract tools that are capable of browsing the internet and extracting the content of web pages. Then there is a brief architect, and then there is a preview crafter that basically generates the HTML slide mockups. And then the very final slide artist that is capable of generating the final images and has access to image generation tools. So this looks like what I asked, but now that I'm seeing it, I actually want to change it because at the very end, I'm sure there will be some things that we'll want to change. So I'll ask the agent builder to add a final sub-agent that allows me to also edit the final slides. Great. So the new architecture is out, and basically we have the orchestrator and the various agents that we talked about before, plus the slide editor, which is capable of using Nano Banana Edit Pro. So basically takes the image from the last step and then is capable to basically revise it. So yeah, now the structure looks good. So we can create this agent structure. So great. This got created and we can click on the link to try our new amazing agent. So here we are in the new agent that we have created, and let's try and generate a set of slides for a tech conference. Very generic prompt for me. Let's see what it comes up with. So it's asking for a few information. So let's see the slide count. Let's keep it brief, short and punchy. And the style will be, yeah, I kind of like futuristic in this case. Get the colors from our website, inference.sh. Find the logo on our website. It will be the best place to generate with no code. So yeah, let's try and build this. As you see, the very cool thing that we have created is a way for the agent to talk with the user with UI elements rather than simple messages. And this is quite useful, especially when the agent requires some complex information or maybe sliders or advanced inputs. And we believe this will be the future. So we can actually go also in the various sub-agents if we're curious and see what is going on. So this is the research sub-agent that is its own plan. We will research our websites and deep agents in general, run a few searches in parallel and extract various media. And all of this is done to have a much smaller context and then give a research back to the main orchestrator. Great, so the brief is finally in, and let's see what slide it created. So the first one is about the future of AI, and then building agents, business opportunity, deep agents in zero code, one runtime to run them all, and then our catchphrase. And I think it looks good, so let's see what it can generate from this stuff. So as you can see, the plan is going on, and it's now generating the slides. So here we see it's generating the 6 slides in parallel using Nano Banana. So it's now done generating the various slides. Let's see the final result. And this is our /2026 stack. The future ran itself. Building agent is art. Market opportunity. This is an image from our website, and then the closing statement. So great, the slide look amazing, but I want to make sure that we use our logo. So I'll simply add our logo and say that I want our logo in the final slide as a very final request. And as you can see, it regenerated the final slide using our logo in a very, very hardcore style. Great. Today we have seen how to use the agent builder from inference.sh to generate a slide deck agent. And then we have used the slide deck agent to generate a presentation for a tech conference. And I cannot wait to see what you can create with inference.sh. So thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next video.